Lucas, do you want to get ice cream? How do you eat ice cream? With your tongue? Do you eat ice cream with your tongue? Let me see. Where's your tongue? Where's your tongue? We'll go get ice cream. Show me your tongue. Do you want ice cream?
Look at how wet his mouth is.
Show me your tongue. Where's your tongue?
Just like poking out.
Where's your tongue? Ice cream? Can you say ice cream? Ice cream? Ice cream.
Chicken. Good job. Yeah, you eat chicken.